Hi, this is Richard Monahan, owner of Ritman.com. This video is a walkthrough of how to use Flash Actionscript to create an extremely basic navigation system. It's being done using Actionscript version 2 and Flash version 8. To keep it simple, I'll be using movie clips, not buttons, to control other movie clips. This is a beginner level tutorial with the exclusive purpose to help people get started with Actionscript and movie clips. If you want the source code, just go to ritman.com, go to the contact form and ask me, and I'll be more than happy to give you the FLA and the PSD files that I used to create this video for free. The graphics are for an opt-in form, but I'm not asking you to opt in, and I will not be covering how to make the opt-in form work in this particular video. The only thing I ask in return is that you consider hiring me for any projects that you may not have the time or resources to complete yourself. So let's get started. First, I'll go through a demo of the completed project. So I click on my Flash file, I go to Control, Test Movie, and there you have it. Alright, the first button is the default image, so if you click and nothing happens, you click the second button. It shows the other movie clip. Click the third button, it goes to the other movie clip. Okay, if you know about movie clips, you know that you can put all kinds of content in there and have your own timelines. So this is just a very basic tutorial showing you how to work with this. Okay, so let's get started. Alright, I already have this file is already set up, so I'll go to a blank file and then just show you how I got the files in there. Okay, so I'm going to take all my graphics, drop them into the Flash file. Okay, and now everything's going to be in the library. So I'm just going to delete that, and that. Take my button, put it there. Button, put it there. Button, put it there. Okay, now these are the navigation buttons, so I'm just going to keep them on the first layer. Okay, then I'm going to make another layer. I'm going to drop in one of the graphics. Okay, boom. Then I'm going to make another layer. Drop in the next graphic. Another layer for the last graphic. Okay, and what you need to do is convert every one of these things into a movie clip. So you right click it, choose convert to symbol, make sure that movie clip is checked and give it a name. Okay, go to the next one, convert to symbol, movie clip, boom. Same thing with the last one for the buttons, convert to symbol, movie clip, boom. Okay, and then on each of these layers, I'll hide the other ones just so that way there's no confusion. Okay, then you're going to convert that to a symbol, and I won't bother with that. So then I'll hide this one, go to the next one, convert to a symbol, make sure it's a movie clip, hide that one, go to the last one, convert that to a movie clip, convert to symbol, movie clip, booyah. Okay, then what you need to do is make sure that on the properties for each one of these that there's an instance name. Okay, and what that's going to do is give you a way to identify each different movie clip when you're trying to control it with the Actionscript. Okay, so that was just a quick run through. This file was set up a little bit better, so I'm going to go with this one. Okay, oops, excuse me. So I'm going to take the first button and I'm going to right click it and go to Actions, or you could simply click it and then open the Actions panel. Alright, and then so there's some Actionscript, and it's going to have the on press event. So when you press that button, it's going to run this code. Okay, so the first thing it does is it sets this movie clip named opt-in 1. It's going to set its alpha property, which is basically the opacity. If you're a Photoshop user, set it to 0. So you're going to hide the others, and then the one that you want to show, you're going to set the alpha property to 100. Okay, so I named each one of the main movie clips opt-in 1, opt-in 2, and opt-in 3. Alright, so if we click this one, that's the last one. Oops, excuse me. Go to properties, and this one I gave it an instance name of opt-in 3. Okay, so for this graphic, you can right click it and choose actions, and there it is. Okay, so you're setting the alpha property to 0, which means it's going to be invisible. So you're going to hide all the other ones, and the one that you want to show for that particular button, you're going to set the alpha to 100. Okay, so opt-in 1 is 0, 2 is 0, and 3 is 100. Okay, now the next button, right click, choose actions, and this time 1 and 3 will be 0, opt-in 2 is going to be 100. Okay, that means that it's 100% showing, and the other two are 0% showing. Okay, that's really all there is to it. You just take your buttons, put them on the stage. I like to put all the navigation on one layer. Alright, and then the next 3 different movie clips, which are the main content, I put them on their own layer, just for the sake of organization, because it's since they're all in the same position, if they were all in the same layer, it'd be kind of difficult to choose each one. So that's why I do that. Okay, so that's really all there is to it. It's dead simple. You just want to make it so that way when you click this button that it hides the other two and shows the one that you want. So there's the code again. Set property. Opt-in 1's alpha is 0. Opt-in 2's alpha is 0. Opt-in 3's alpha is 100. Underscore root, I believe, is just the top of the document object model in Actionscript. So that's how I know it, and it's really pretty simple. So I kind of walked through it, and the overall thing is to just put your graphics on the stage, convert them to movie clips. Okay, and then the ones that you actually want to control, you want to make sure that you go to the properties and set the instance name, because that's how you are calling it and identifying it through the script. So this button, this button, if you go to the actions, it's going to control, it's going to hide everything except for the one that you want to show, which is opt-in 3. Okay, so if you go to this layer, this one's instance name is going to be opt-in 3. Where is the properties? Not there. So click on the properties, and there it is. And that's all there is to it. This is a very, very basic tutorial. I'm keeping it very simple because a lot of times a friend of mine had tried to do this exact same thing. He found a 30-minute video, and by the time he got to the end of the video, he couldn't figure it out. So I just want to do this real simple and make it as easy as possible for somebody who just wants to get started. So I hope this has been helpful, and if you enjoy it, please go to ritman.com, check out my work, and if there's anything I can help you with, just let me know, send me an email, and if you have any requests for any other tutorials, I'll be more than happy to do so. And the only thing I ask is that if you need some work done that you don't think that you can handle or you don't have the time for, that you give me consideration. That's all I need. Thank you very much, and look forward to the next videos from Ripman.com. Bye.